one of their number one concerns is simply this. They want someone to go to Ottawa, to speak on their behalf, to vote on their behalf. But yet when they get to Ottawa, everything changes for the worse. They're dictated to by the party hierarchy, by the unelected suits in the leader's office. They're told how to talk, how to walk, how to vote. A perfect example in this riding is the HST vote. As many people may or may not know that when you roll a provincial sales tax in with a federal sales tax, there has to be federal enabling legislation. So last December the 9th, 2009, in the House of Commons, Bill C-62, Cheryl Gallant stood in the House of Commons and voted in favor of HST. It's a dreadful tax. It's a terrible tax, especially for people in rural Ontario and people on fixed income. Why did she do that? Our provincial member of Parliament, John Yakubuski, voted against it. Cheryl Gallant stands in the House of Commons in Ottawa and votes for it. Well, as an independent member of Parliament, they couldn't have twisted my arm enough to make me vote in favor of that, because it's going to hurt the people of Renfrew, Nipissing, Pembroke, and that's why I would have refused to support that tax. End of story.